Baby, I got my coins and we're about to vacuum my car. So they have the 2-motor vacuum, that's $1. They have the 3-motor turbo vacuum, which adds more suctioning power, that's $2. And then they have the little incense that is the new car smell, wild cherry, and French vanilla, and they're all $1 and they only accept quarters. So let's go ahead and vacuum. Whoo, child, I'm tired. I brought my own car air freshener from Bath & Body Works. It's Endless Weekend. Ooh, this smells so good, y'all. Comment down below any cleaner that I can use for my car seats because, baby, they are so dirty. Ooh, oh geez, it is a fine behind me over here at the car wash. Baby, yes, you better use that spray bottle, honey, to clean them tires. Yes, ooh, he got muscles too. Ooh. And he chocolate and got waves. Ooh.